This is the Algo Futures Trader Weekly Market Roundup, and this is the MNQ. This is Thursday's trading action. Actually, right here was the open. As you know, Algo Futures is a this is for NinjaTrader 7. We do have NinjaTrader 8 in beta, but this is an opening morning breakout strategy. You can use the indices. You can use the DAX, gold, oil, the euro, so on. And we track them all. You can look at the stats. This is just an opening morning breakout strategy here that I like to use with the micros. And you can see the shaded area. That's the no trade zone, and we want to see price breaking out of that zone. But we have some filters that we use to determine whether we want to go long or short. You can just turn automatic trading on, fully automated, long and short, and the software is going to execute all the trades, both long and short. But what we like to do is pick a direction that we want to trade in, that we think the market's going to go in. And we have some filters that we use. You can look at those in some of the other videos. By the way, this is all free. You can use this, download it, and use it as long as you want for free in sim mode. And then when you feel you're competent, you've gone over the numbers, and you've got something that works for you, then you can purchase a license or lease. All right. So this was just the action from. This was Thursday in the NQ, and I picked the long direction. So what I did is turn it to semi-autonomous. Check the long box here. That means it's just going to take the next long trade and then turn automatic trading on here. So this way it's going to avoid the sell signals and just take the long trades. And the reason I set it to the long side on this particular day was we had an inside gap down, I believe, and I was looking for the market to move higher to fill the gap back to the prior day's close. So this first trade, and it's set to trade a 3 lot, and it takes 2 contracts off at a target, and then it does trail with a trailing stop on the balance. So that first trade didn't fill the gap. We got a first target and then stop here on the last contract. And then it spent some time below the no trade zone, and then triggered another long here, which the software did get into. It took a first target here, and then unfortunately at the time I had the software set. You can see at the bottom here, there's money management goals here. At the time, the profit target goal was set to 500. Now it's set to 1500 because I changed it. So it exited the trade on the last contract when it really shouldn't. It would have trailed and taken us out somewhere in here. But because it hit the profit target goal, it automatically closed everything. But anyway, so some nice trades there. And on Friday, did the opposite. Was looking for the market to sell off. I believe we maybe even had an outside gap down, and so entered the first short signal, ignored the long signal here, and got the first target on the first part, and then came back and stopped us out with a small profit on the second contract. So that was kind of typical of kind of the trades that we saw during the week. But again, we're just not trading everything in every direction. We're picking a direction that we feel the market may take. And again, we have tools that we use to do that. And again, you can check those out. All the information to download the software and the Discord server, all that is below. The other thing I wanted to bring to your attention that came to my attention, I hadn't looked at it before, but we got an email for somebody had submitted a review for Algo Futures Trader through Trustpilot. And I hadn't seen this before. I really didn't keep track of this stuff, but you can see this is us, Algo Futures Trader. And these are the reviews, 21 now. We have an excellent rating. And you can go through and check the reviews out. I think some of them will be probably be very helpful. A little bit of homework and works freak. Great trading system. About time someone focused on the little guys. I can guarantee you that this is when we release the NinjaTrader 8. NinjaTrader 8 is in beta right now. Hopefully we're going to get a release before the end of the month here for NinjaTrader 8, which will be great. Fantastic system, free to try, absolutely. The folks at AFT are top notch. Appreciate that. So you can go through these, read them all. I definitely encourage you to do that. You can go to our website, algofuturestrader.com. Go through all the information. There's tons of documentation in the Discord server. The stats. So we keep stats on the basic system right out of the box. If you just turn it on and run it in many different markets. We keep the baseline stats so you can see how they look like, or how they look, and then as you make adjustments, as you add filters and things, you can see if you can improve upon the baseline. We also run the DAX on a live real money account. You can see those numbers as well. So check us out, and hopefully it's a tool that will be something that will be very helpful to you and to your trading and to your success. All right. Have a great week. We'll see you next week.